This is a MacBook Pro A1502. There are lots of MacBook Pro 1502, approximately 10 1502 for repairs now. This is a in this board there is a common issue. That's why I am recording the video. See, when we power on, it's taken 0.024 amp. Charger light is also there, and there is no PP bus in this board. There is a 12.6 PP bus, and we open this coil for testing purpose, but no PP bus. The PP bus is responsible for making PP bus is charging IC. See, backside there is a charging IC, and if you look properly in the charging IC, in the our microscope is essential for MacBook repairs. See, there is two registers. Trying to show you, but very micro registers, tiny registers. They are whole in these registers. This is the ACP ACN register, CSOP CSN registers, and this is the charging IC hour. This is the ISL 6259, and there is a shorting in this IC. This IC is shorted to the ground. I am trying to show you. This is our multimeter, and one probe is to ground, and another probe is this register. See, 0000. One second. There. This is the ACP 000. Look at the connectivity of multimeter. This is shorted to the ground. This indicate that IC may be charging IC or outside shorting, but this shorting is inside the IC. Look at, not outside. Outside is okay, but when we connect inside is shorting. This is indicate that the charging IC ISL 6259 is short. We have to replace this charging IC as well as his charging MOSFETs. There is a MOSFET, charging MOSFET is dual MOSFET. Look at here, this is the charging MOSFET, this is a dual MOSFET. We have to replace these both. Let's replace and check what happened. This is a schematic of this board, and look at the registers. This is a 27 and 28 number register, and 27 number register and 28 register. 27 number is CSIN and 28 number CSIP. This register is shorted to ground, and this shorting goes to inside the IC. Look at the diagram. This is a 2728 charge under CSIP CSIN. Current sense positive, current sense negative, and this is goes to 10 ohm registers. This register, both registers are blown. These both registers are blown, and we need to replace this register. We need to replace this IC also, and we need to replace this dual MOSFET also, because due to IC shorting, this MOSFET also shorting. If we not replace this MOSFET and only replace this IC, IC is damage return once again. Then we have to replace this IC, the both resistors, and this dual MOSFET also. Let's replace and check what happened. We replace this all faulty components. Let's see. Shorting also going. We connect before this pin is shorted to the ground, and now this pin is perfectly giving impedance. We have to on now. We on the MacBook is on, light is glown, impedance is also taken, and this MacBook is ready. Now we have to assemble in cabinet and repair and complete all the process. This MacBook is coming two different places, not repaired by other. We repaired and complete this case study. Thank you.